Hello everybody and welcome to today's maths lesson. Now, for this maths lesson, you're going to need your whiteboard, pen. You're also going to need, pencils, pens, You're also going to need 2 or more pens like this and some counters or some whatever you've got basically to show our ones, okay? So let me share my screen and we can get started. Okay, our learning objective today is, can I add by using number bonds? Fantastic, well done. And before we even get started with that, we're going to do a really fast mental starter. So it's going to get you going really quick. Okay, so do you remember we did this kind of thing last week? And it's just to get our numbers flowing, get us really thinking about each of our numbers and how we use them properly. Okay, so today I'd like you to do the number 17. I'd like you to pause the video and write the word 17 in words, draw 17 in here, show me how many 10s and 1s 17 has in here, write the numbers from 1 to 20, circle the number 17, and then show me a way that we could split the number 17 into 2 parts. Okay, it will take you a little bit longer at first, but I want to try and get to a point where we can do this really fast. Okay, so pause the video and do all of those jobs for me first. Well done. Okay, here are the answers. Get ready to tick. Okay. Ooh. So there is the word 17 in words. Okay, have a look. I'll mark it on tapestry too, but just have a look and see how you've done. Okay, this is what 17 looks like as a tens frame, as 2 tens frames in fact. Here is 17 is the here is the number line, and there is 17, and I split 17 into 7 and 10. And this is what it looks like in 10s and 1s. So hopefully yours looks a little bit like that. I'd like you to post it on tapestry so I can see how you did, and hopefully we're going to get quicker and quicker at this. We're going to do it lots and lots. Okay, now today we're adding using number bonds. So here's our first question. 7 plus 2. I would like you to use your part whole model and follow along with me. So I need you to be putting the same amount of 1s in your tens frame along with me, okay? So we've got a part of 7. So what do we need to do? Oh yes, we need to put 7 in here. 1, 2, I hope you're doing it too. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a part of 2. So I need to, oh yes, put 2, 1, 2 in my other part. Have you done that? Fantastic. Then what do we need to do to figure out the answer? Oh, I know. We need to move, all of our parts into our whole. So we've got 1, I hope you're doing it too, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done, everyone. Did you move all of them into the hole? Good, I'm sure you did it faster than me. So 7 plus 2 equals, 9. Okay, that was our example. So if 7 plus 2 equals 9, then what does 17 plus 2 equal? Okay, we're going to do it together. Please follow along with me, okay? I'm going to stop screen sharing. So here we go. Can you see my part whole model? This time I've got 3 parts. And when you have 3 parts, it's just the same as having 2 parts. You just add them all together to make your whole. So what was our question again? It was 17 plus 2. So let's look at this first number here. We've got 110, haven't we? So because you're at home and you haven't got your 10 sticks, I'm going to use a pen to represent 10, okay? And I'm going to stick it to one of my parts. So I have a part of 10, and in this same number, I also have how many? 7. Well done. So I'm going to put 7 ones in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 110, 7 ones, just in that one number there. And how many ones have I got here? Ah, thank you, 2. So I'm going to put 2 in my third part, okay? What you'll need to be doing is on your whiteboard, you'll need to draw a part whole model with 3 different parts, and then you'll need, for the next question, to be doing it along with me, okay? So we have a part of 10, okay, so we know that part. Let's move these 2 to our whole to see what we've got first. So we've got 7, 8, 9, and 110. So it makes 19. Fantastic. Well done. That was really, really good. So let me share my screen again. So 17 plus 2 equals, tell me. Thank you, equals 19. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at the next example, okay? All of these, for these first examples, you need to be following along with me. Even if you think you know the answer, I would rather you followed along with me and we did the method together. And then when I give you your questions to do on your own, you can do it in your own way, okay? Yeah, you're still following the method, but you can do it at your own speed. Sorry, is what I should have said. Okay, here's the next question. We have 13 plus 3. So let's do it on my whiteboard again. I'm going to stop sharing. There we go. This time we have 13 plus 3. So let's look at our first number. We have, let's move all of those out the way. We have a part of, how many, do we have any 10s in this first number? Yes, fantastic. How many? 1, well done. So we have 1 10. Remember, the 10s are represented with our pen. And how many 1s do we have in this number here? 3, well done. So we have 3. Okay, then we're going to add another 3 1s. So let's put another 3 1s in our other part. Okay, have you done that? Pause me if you need more time to do that, but that's what you need to be doing right now on your part whole model. Okay, now let's add them together. So I'm going to do the 1s first. We have 3 4, 5, 6, and 110. So we have, let me write it down. We have 110 and 6 ones, which makes the number 16. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Okay, let me share my screen again. Okay, now it's your turn, okay? If 4 plus 4 equals 8, then what does 14 plus 4 equal? Okay, pause the video and have a go at doing it with your part-whole model. Then come back and I will show you the answer, okay? Right, hopefully you're back. Okay, if you need to follow along with me, follow along with me. Let's rub that out. So our question this time is 14 plus 4. 14 plus 4. So let's get rid of this. So what did you do first? I hope you looked at this first number here and realised that it has 110 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so 110 and 4 ones equals 14. And then we're going to add another 4. So let's put 4 in our third part. And now let's add it all together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we knew 4 plus 4 equals 8, didn't we? So let's just add an extra 10. 110 to make, so 8 and 10, 18. Did you get it? Fantastic. Give yourself a tick if you got 18. Right, let's have a look at our next one. Our next question is, if 1 plus 5 equals 6, then what does 11 plus 5 equal? Okay, pause me and go and answer the question. Okay. Right, let's work through the answer together. We're going to do 11 plus 5. Yeah. So, how many 10s does this number have any 10s? It does. Fantastic. It has 110. So 110, part of 10. And how many 1s does this number have? 1. Fantastic. So a part of 10 and a part of 1 makes a whole of 11. Fantastic. We're going to add 5. So let's put 5, 3, or 5. 5 in our other part. Okay. 11 plus 5. So we've got 11 here and 5 there. So if we put them all together, it will equal our answer. Okay. So let's try it. 5, 6, and 110. So we have 6 there and 110, which makes 16. Fantastic. Give yourself a tick if you got 16. Fantastic. Okay, now I'm going to give you a challenge question to do, okay? and I'm not going to go through it on the video. I would like to see your challenge question on Tapestry alongside all of this work we've been doing so far, okay? So here, if you're feeling up to this challenge question, do it. If you're not, then that's okay, okay? So here is the challenge question. If 6 plus 2 equals 8, then what does 36 plus 2 equal? Okay, that is the challenge question. Okay, the video is going to end now. On Tapestry, I would like to see all of the questions we've been doing together. And if you would like to do the challenge question, your challenge question. Okay, really well done. Thank you so much for following along with me. It's really important that even though you think you might know the answer, moving our objects around in a part-whole model helps our brains to remember, okay? So thank you for being so great. I can't wait to see all your work on Tapestry. I'll see you soon, Dyson. Well done.